Hello everyone, so in this video we would like to share another video in how many cable connector and plug series, and this one is KIA SORENTO 2016 and this one belonging to the 2016 and 2019 generation. We already removed the factory radio and screen out of the car, and you can look at another video in our channel how to remove the factory radio. And at this moment we already disconnect all the wiring cable and we're just counting them now. So two of those main wire cable here, the connector here, they are the one, you know, the main one, okay, on the left side. Okay, so two big white cable. The third one is here, a white cable, and then we have three other cable for the other thing that I believe this one would be something about the, you know, radio and USB thing. Yep, so in total we have 6 cable. Okay, 3 big white one and 3 small one. KIA SORENTO 2016. So thanks again for watching, and if you want to know what we are doing, we actually are doing the 10-inch full package upgrade, including upgrade the reverse camera at the same time. So yep, thanks again, see you on the next one.